Hi, I'm Glenn with AddPac. I'm here to introduce you to AP-VAC50N, which is an IP video door phone. This IP video door phone is able to function as an excellent visitor access control solution for enterprise by means of audio and voice, video camera, TFT color LCD, and RF card interface. A visitor can make a call out of just one touch. Once this button is pressed, the call will go to the number that you pre-configured. It could go to information desk or other extension number as you set. AP-VAC50N has an RF card reader which is built in. So placing RF card on the VAC50N can open the door through the video door phone. So let me just show you how. I'll just put the card on the VAC50N and the sound goes off, the door will be open.